Are you wanting to move, but you're terrified about selling your current property? I'm going to tell you how we can fix that problem right now. Hey, Jordan here, and I talk to so many sellers and buyers that are looking to buy a new home, but they need the equity from their current home, and it's too hard for them, for whatever reason, to be able to sell and then buy. Maybe there's some health issues, maybe the property needs work, but for whatever reason, it would make more sense for them to be able to purchase a new home and then be able to sell. And we have programs. We have multiple programs in different companies that we work for, which is basically like a bridge loan that allows you to be able to get qualified, make sure your property is qualified, and then if so, then be able to go out, just like a normal buyer, be able to buy a property as good as cash, close on the home, move into that new property, and then after a month or two, turn around and come and get your place ready, get it on the market, and get it sold. It's seamless. It's actually pretty affordable. It's shockingly affordable. You'd think it would be a lot more expensive than it is, but we have multiple programs that allow us to do it, and we can very quickly, with our affiliates, be able to find out if you qualify. So reach out, it's a benefit. Of course, we always offer our cash offer as well. We work with multiple different investors, local, national, and of course I own a separate company that also buys and sells properties. That said, you always make more money listing it. The buy before you sell program will most likely make you more money in that situation. There's lots of different options. Most importantly, we're trying to provide value to you so that you can make the best decision for your family, and of course be upfront and honest what's best for you. So reach out, love to be able to show you how we can get you moved here in the near future.